A very good afternoon, Dutch bike blogger. And as you can see in the bottom left corner, I'm going home a little bit earlier. That's nice. Sorry for the coughing. Coming out of a warm office space to the somewhat cold of the outside. Nou, Doornroosje. Just walking in the middle of the effing street, not looking. That's why I called him Doornroosje. She slept for 100 years, so stupid man. I can tell you his face matched his behavior. Stupid actions, stupid face. We do have a little bit of wind. Fond of that. But it is what it is. Nice weather, although it's cold, sun is shining. No chance of rain today. And due to the wind, it actually feels a lot colder than it should be feeling. Simply to say, when it wouldn't be so windy, it would be perfect cycling weather. Oh. Maybe I go out and about and see if I can make a longer bike tour this afternoon. In this bike lane, much more quiet. Well, first of all, when I get home I will need some dinner, so eat some food. A little easy, quick to eat microwave dinner. That thing I just rode by was a hedgehog, probably hit by a car, at least it was dead. Nice to only work 4 hours and not 6. Really appreciate it. So when I'm going outside this afternoon and I'm thinking about doing that, I will have to take my power bank with me because, well, my camera battery is used, of course, today. Sorry about that one. The camera battery is used today for filming my ride to work and this ride from work. So the best thing to do is to use the power bank and charge the camera that way.
Sorry.
Well, again, made it over that off ramp of the ring road. There was a van coming quite fast, but I just was slowing down to look. And then when people don't see me, I could brake, but I do have right of way, but that doesn't mean I want to end up in the front of a van. So trees are cut down here. Let's have a look. Yes, cutting down trees. Not sure what that's all about. Car was standing still with a back lid open, boot lid, and somebody was close to the road in a orange vest. Not sure what that was about. Well, quick drive home, a quick ride home. And like I said, when I get home, eat something and then probably get out again. But first of all, when I get home, check the weather radar. Because when there is going to be a rain burst, I'm having second thoughts of going outside. What I am going to do is take my bike repair kit, including my tire repair kit, with me, and of course several camera gear, waterproof case, rain suit, all things I possibly can need on a longer bike trip. Learner's car with permit on the roof for automatic, so only gas and a brake pedal, no clutch, no stick shift, just all automatic, which should be easier because the car is shifting for you. It helps you to concentrate on traffic and also on operating the clutch and the brake, or the gas and the brake. We're almost close to home. Thank you very much for riding with me in this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber yet. I will see you hopefully in this afternoon. Have a nice day, and like always, take care of yourself and be safe out there.